Everyone, this is As Muhammad Khan, and today I again welcome you with a very serious topic, student. Yes, student, very serious topic, and it is in your syllabus, and this topic is directly related with our life. And what is it? It is kidney failure. Kidney failure is also known as renal failure, and it is the last stage of kidney disease. Yes, student, it is the last stage, and in this disease or in this last stage, kidneys stop the working or stop the functioning, from which they filter or purify the blood. Due to that, the whole systems of our body are disturbed. So today we are going to discuss the most serious topic, that is kidney failure or renal failure. So what is it? As we have discussed about the human urinary system, and in the human urinary system there are the two important organs help us, and that organ is found in the pair, and what we call them the kidneys. Kidneys are found in our abdomen cavity at our back, and they work for the filtration and the reabsorption of the blood. In the case of kidney failure, what happens? They suddenly stop the working of filtration and reabsorption. Suddenly they stop, and that working is stopped due to some causes. One by one, we will discuss about those causes from which kidneys are failed for purification and the filtration work. Like in this, the main cause, if a person take the less water, then due to the dehydration, they may stop their working. Dehydration means, what is the dehydration? Dehydration means there is some amount of water is found and our body becomes dry, and due to that, the process that is found inside the kidney, that is osmoregulation, that osmoregulation does not work properly. That's why they may stop the working. So less water intake is maybe one cause, and that is also known as dehydration. High sugar intake, many times due to the taste, like everyone, especially the children, like the chocolates or the toffees or cold drinks or sweets. So due to high intake of these substances, increase the workload on the kidney, and due to the increasing of the workload on the kidney, they stop their functioning. So it may be another cause. Next is wrong medicine or the side effect of the medicine. Many times students, we fall sick, and what happens to us? We take the medicine by the prescription of the doctor or without the prescription of the doctor. Then some medicines fall side effect on our body, and due to that side effect, the kidney may stop their functioning. So it is another cause. Next is diabetes. Diabetes is another cause of kidney failure, and due to this disease, kidney may stop their functioning suddenly. So if a person have the diabetes, then that person should take the proper medicine to control the diabetes or to control the blood sugar level. Other disease from which we may have the kidney failure is hypertension. What is the hypertension, student? It means the high blood pressure. Due to the high blood pressure, a person may have the kidney failure. So these are the some causes from which one person may have this serious disease, and it is kidney failure. Now the symptom: if a person have the kidney failure, then in its body or in that person's body there are some symptoms we can easily observe. Like the first is swelling of feet, leg or ankle. Means if the person have the kidney failure, then the legs or the feet of that person may swell. So it is the symptom. Another symptom that we can notice in the kidney failure, that is the decreased output of urine. As you know that there is no work is done by the kidneys, from which there is the decreased output of the urine. So urine amount is decreased in this disease. Next is the next symptom of this is nausea and anxiety. And these are the symptoms that a person may have due to the kidney failure. So what should you do, student? Yes, tell me. You should decrease the intake of sugar. You should not take more and more cold drinks or chocolates or sweets, because all these substances, all these eatable substances harm us and they may cause the kidney failure. And another thing that you can do to protect your kidney, you should take more and more water. Means you should take 8 to 12 glasses of water every day. Minimum 8 to 12 glasses in a day you should take, because with the help of that you will not face the problem of hypertension and you will protect your body from this harmful, very harmful or the serious disease. So now we will discuss about the treatment of this disease, student. So students, kidney failure can be treated with the help of two methods. First is by accepting natural kidney. Means if a person have the kidney failure, then that person can take the natural kidney from a donor. And donor should be healthy, student, and he or she may belong from the same blood group. And by accepting the natural kidney, after some time that kidney starts its functioning and that person may be treated in this way. Second method that can be used in treating of kidney failure is human dialysis. Yes, student, human dialysis. It is the artificial method of purification or the filtration of the blood. In this method, there is one machine is used by the doctors, and that machines have one solution in it that is known as osmotic solution. With this, in those solutions there are small tubes like subtubes are found, and those subtubes have selectively permeable membranes, and that machine is attached with the artery and the vein of the patient. When the blood is passed through that, means the impure blood is passed through that solution, then with the help of those small tubes, the waste material is taken in the osmotic solution, and the pure blood is supplied, and that pure blood is taken by the artery of the patient, and in this way the proper blood circulation is taking place in the body of the patient, and it is the most expensive method of the treatment, student. So in the case of kidney failure, I want to say you only one proverb, that prevention is better than cure. Prevention is better than cure. So you should use the preventive measurement from which you can protect your kidneys. So in the first I have told you, again I am repeating, decrease intake of sugar or sugar containing substance, increase the intake of water. Third, if a person have hypertension or diabetes, then those diseases can be treated by the prescription of the doctors. So these are the preventive measurements from which we can protect us from the kidney failure, student. So thank you very much and have a nice day.